Living with a septic tank isn't as complicated as it sounds, but you gotta know the basics to keep things running smooth and avoid nasty surprises. Alright, so here's the deal. First off, getting your septic tank inspected before buying is super important. Make sure it's in good shape, because fixing a bad one can cost way more than you want to spend. Next, regular pumping is key, but not every year like your husband says. Every 2 to 3 years is usually enough unless you have a huge household or heavy water use. You don't have to switch to weird soaps either. Just stick to septic, safe, or biodegradable ones because harsh chemicals can mess up the bacteria that break down waste. Laundry is not a huge deal, but yeah, try not to overload your system by doing all your washing in one day. Space it out if you can. Showers? No need for super short ones, just avoid letting a ton of water run constantly for hours. Also, don't flush anything besides toilet paper and human waste. No wipes, feminine products, or grease down the drain. After heavy rain, some backups can happen if the drain field is old or clogged, but that's fixable with maintenance or upgrades. Lastly, keep an eye on your yard for soggy spots or smells. Those are signs you might need professional help. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is ignoring inspections and maintenance, which leads to costly repairs or system failures. Fix it by scheduling regular checkups and pumping. Another common screw-up is flushing stuff that shouldn't go in there. Wipes, paper towels, and chemicals can clog or kill the bacteria, so be strict about what goes down your toilets and drains. The third issue is overloading the system with too much water at once, like doing tons of laundry in one day or long showers back to back. Spread out water use to keep your tank happy and working well. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who really know septic systems and other home stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the right help without the headache.